Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5072033 because of these error codes. So if you're receiving one of these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to go to Windows Update in Windows Settings, and over here you can see pause option, hit pause. And once it is paused, now click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find Windows Update in the list, scroll down. Somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set this to automatic. Click on Apply. Click on Start if highlighted. Then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update. Click on Restart. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Make a double click. Set this to automatic. Click on Apply. Click on Start if highlighted. Make a right click and then click on Restart. Now scroll up. Here you can see app readiness. Make a double click on app readiness. Set this to automatic. Apply. Click on Start if highlighted. Click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness. Click on Restart. Now once done, you can go back to Windows Settings, Windows Update, and if you see retry option, you can hit retry and then check. Still not working, run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box. Make a right click on command prompt app. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window. And once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5072033 over here, and then click on search. And then type in WINVER in Windows search box. You have to click on WinVer run command and check the version. So in my case, it's version 25H2. So check your version and then open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, and over here you can see system type. For me, it's 64-bit operating system, x64. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. Now if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download, and then over here you will see update KB5072033. Click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually. Once installed, restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings and then go to Windows Update, go to advanced option over here, scroll down. Here you can see recovery, click on it. Here, fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once done, you can restart your computer and then update your Windows 11. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. And then you have to click on accept over here, and then by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here, and then click on next. Save it to desktop, save. Now let the download complete. This will take some time. Once done, click on finish and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once done, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, and then click on next, click on accept over here, And here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer. After the installation, this process will take some time. And once that is done, you can log in and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.